back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'm so excited to be bringing you my take on Jackie from that 70s show. I love Mila Kunis, like she's so funny as Jackie, and the makeup, hair, and outfits are everything. I happened to get a really great recreation photo, but for the most part it's just a really nice everyday look. And then we do have some fun hair ideas like these poofy curls and some fun outfits that are really similar to the show. So I hope you enjoy this if you're a fan, and if you've never seen that 70s show, it is a great show to binge watch. And cool enough, my favorite girly brand Benefit was started in San Francisco in the 70s, and I actually have a super cool vlog on my vlog channel where you can see the products through the years, and I'm partnering with Benefit Canada on this video to not only feature some of my favorite products, but give one of you lucky Canadian gals a chance to win the Benefit staples to get this look. If you want to be entered, then go follow me on Instagram and make sure to comment on the giveaway post, and I will be doing more international giveaways, so stay tuned for that. And also, if you are new to my channel and you love pop culture inspired tutorials, then be sure to subscribe, hit the post notification button so that you don't miss an upload. And I hope everyone enjoys this 70s inspiration. I'm sick, by the way, my voice doesn't always sound like this, but yeah, let's get started. I've already applied my favorite primer, the Benefit Porefessional to minimize pores, smoothing out my skin, and the foundation I've applied is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, really great base, and Mila Kunis is more of a cool beige and sometimes does have a deeper complexion, but with the show set in Wisconsin, she's pretty pale most of the time. And then to highlight the skin, I'm using this Rimmel concealer. It has slightly a yellow undertone to it, and I'm bringing forward the chin, around the nose. And with the Pixi translucent powder, I'm applying under the eyes to set. And even though Jackie is pale, I do want a bit more warmth and depth to the skin, so I'm bringing in Benefit's Hoola Light Bronzer. This is great for fall and winter. If you are a little more pale, it's perfect. I gifted this to my best friend who's a redhead with super pale skin, and she loves it. So even if you're very fair and bronzer scares you, you should try this one. And under the eyes, we want a rounded shadow to give more of a protruding big eye effect. I went pretty subtle with this because I do have large eyes anyway. And then nose contour, I'm enhancing the width of my nose a little bit and then really focusing on a cute button nose effect by adding some shadow to the top of the tip and then shortening the nose with the shadow underneath and alongside the nostrils. Moving on to shading under the eyes one more time, and then a bit of a shadow on the chin for a bit of a divot there. Of course, the rest of the makeup is perfect for fall, and you can do these steps to just feel a little more like Jackie for the day without the contouring. That part's just for fun. And I am obsessed with this liquid blush by Benefit called Dandelion Dew. It's a baby pink liquid blush, and the consistency is so light and creamy, you just need a tiny amount. And we're going to add more corals later and warm-based products for the rest of this monochromatic look, so to avoid the makeup becoming too flat and similar in tone, this pink just livens up the skin first, especially with added touches to the forehead and nose. Time for brows. Jackie's brows are full at the head, super arched and very natural looking, so while I typically use a Benefit Goof-Proof brow pencil for natural looking bolder brows, we're going to go softer with the Benefit Foolproof brow powder in the shade 05 Deep Dark to match my darkened hair. Also, ignore how strange the black looks in my hair. It looks really powdery. I just needed to brush it through, so I haven't done that yet. Anyways, this product is great to transform sparse brows into full-looking ones. There are two shades, as you can see, creating an ombre look that natural brows have. Super expressive brows, I love that. And this kit comes with a spoolie, so I just brush these through if I was only using the powder, but next I'm setting in place with Gimme Brow by Benefit. This is a brow volumizing tinted gel for natural looking fullness and definition. I love combining powder with a gel. It gives a really convincing look that is not drawn on at all, so check it out. And now, such a retro looking product. I love Benefit boxed blushes. They're the cutest, and this one is CORALista. This is the only one I didn't have prior to filming this video, and it's a perfect shade for Jackie's peachy cheeks and eyes. This is the main photo I'm going off of, by the way. Bringing that powder through above the crease in a rounded shape. Brightening right under the brow bone and sharpening the arch with Highbrow. It has a linen pink sheen to it, so I'm also bringing this to the inner tear duct. Next, with a cream light shadow, apply this all over the lid. I wanted a base to really hold a light matte powder, so going matte is really going to bring forward the lid, which we want for Mila-inspired eyes. And using a warm, deeper brown, accent the inner crease. add some contrast between the CORALista powder and the light lid. Sweep this under the eye. And a step that I felt made my eyes look more similar to Mila Kunis is a shadow straight down from the tear duct. Using a deep brown pencil liner through the first half of the waterline, then right under the lashes, and bring this liner upwards to meet the top lid. With my favorite liquid liner, adding a upturned wing, and this is just the very outer portion of the eye because we don't want to cut off any lid space. Here I'm adding some natural fluffy wispy lashes. These look super natural from Sephora, and my fave glue is from Benefit. And this glue doesn't have a weird smell like a lot of them do, and it just works like a charm, so definitely recommend this. And then blending the lashes together with Bad Gal Bang mascara. This wand is specifically great for lower lashes, but I am keeping it really subtle today. Jackie usually matches her outfit with her lip shade, so if she's wearing something pink, she'll go really pink on the lips, brown in her clothes, a brown lip, but for the most part, a natural coral shade is worn matching her cheeks and eyes, and the shade Wired from Urban Decay, really lightly dabbed into the center of your natural lip, is a great option, and I'm showing a quick hairstyle for a sassy Jackie look. I love when her hair has two little clips backwards that kind of look like mini pigtails. And then, at least in season 1 through 3, Jackie's hair was super poofy, like all the time, and it looked like it was taken out of rollers and brushed out, so an easy way to get a similar look is just to curl away from the face and then tease upwards, and I did add a darker root touch-up spray. And another funny look that you can get online is the I Am So a Virgin t-shirt, and just toss your hair up into a side ponytail with one little piece to frame the face, add a blue bow and a ribbon belt, some happy face earrings, and I used a bit of pink gloss, and you have another option. But my personal favorite is to really tease the crown for lots of volume. Take the two sides from your center part and tuck behind your ears. And then create really puffy curls just at the bottom and tease upwards. And pair this with a dainty, earthy maxi dress. And I'll finish up the tutorial with a deeper lip option for fall, still incorporating some of the wired lipstick in the center to keep all of the corals in there. Gloss is always fun as well, so I added a little bit of that, and let's head to the basement for a little OOTD.
Zip, zip, bam, bam, you're done your dress, you're back at the mall.
I hope you enjoyed this Jackie from that 70s show look, and if you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty videos every week. And one of my favorite things is when you guys try out these looks and tag me on Instagram, so here are some of my favorite recreations. And again, like my last video, there was bloopers involving bugs. So we have hornets in front of my house, like a huge hornet nest, and I was trying to get a shot and this happened. And then we have some me and my cat moments, which is me every day. Like, this is how I spend my days. Yep. Hi. Oh. I love you. I don't really know how to hold cats. Like, I've had a cat my whole life, and this is as good as it gets. She doesn't mind. Anyways, I'm gonna go have some soup and watch that 70s show, and if you missed my latest series of hair tutorials, I recreated some of Ali Hamilton's styles from The Notebook, and I'm really proud of that video, so also check that out if you missed it, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.